am Dr. Roshan Jacob, District Magistrate of Gonda, Uttar Pradesh District. Uttar Pradesh State, we had presented two initiatives here. One is online gas booking and monitoring system called Easy Gas, and the other is Krishak Information System and Network Kisan, which is basically meant to give all the services offered by the Agriculture Department in a under single roof to the farmers. Kisan basically offers all 6 services: seed booking, fertilizer booking, soil testing, and crop purchase, whether it is wheat or paddy. Kisan credit, that is agricultural credit, and so these services normally, and agricultural implement subsidy also. So earlier the farmer had to go to the department to put up his applications, and there was a lot of randomness, haphazardness in the way applications were processed. There were accusations of favoritism. So now, to avoid that discretion in the allotment process and to make it a more standardized and easily accessible mechanism, we have linked all these services to the Common Service Center. So the farmer only has to go to his nearest Common Service Center, make his booking, and receive the facility. Gas booking I had started in 2008 when I was DM of Basti. So that system is working very well, in the sense it is a boon to the rural consumer particularly. He has to pay a rupees 10 for his gas booking and wait at home, and he will get his home delivery compulsorily within a span of 10 days. So here the district administration generates so many pendency formats, and which we directly review. So this ensures that LPG being an essential commodity, we need to know how much LPG actually comes into a district and where it goes. And that is something which all the transparency portal and IVRS booking and web booking and all these things that are given by the gas agencies, they don't take care of this factor. We don't know how much gas is actually available, how much comes and where it goes. So that information we get through this monitoring system, and therefore we are able to streamline access to this essential commodity. That is the aim.
State. Yeah. So, what are the challenges you face in implementing those projects?
Because, like I was telling in the presentation, there is not at all any dearth of good programs and policies, but in a primarily rural and, like you said, backward population, the challenge is how to reach out all these services to the last man, the last mile connectivity. So ICT is a good tool, but ICT in itself is not sufficient, because the people, most of them are not literate, and left to themselves, they cannot go online and book or maybe even read an SMS. That is where we have kept it as a half manual and half computerized thing. Like a Logvani, there is a human being who is running the Logvani center. So the farmer or a gas consumer gets the benefit of going to a person and explaining his situation, but then thereon the process is automated. So rather than going for a completely front-end and back-end computerization, we are doing it as a semi kind of. And for UP, I think that is the stage right now. And so slowly we will try to reach out to the people in a better way. That again depends on how long I'll be in Gonda. Our postings are very haphazard. But future plans, basically, Easy Gas has already registered around 2.5 lakh bookings. Kisan has 1.5 lakh farmers registered. So one target is to expand Kisan and cover all the farmers in the district, so that we create a good agricultural directory. And the other thing is subsequently to go out into other programs like rural employment generation, what DRDA and other NRLM and what all the employment, self-employment programs that are running, they are very poorly monitored at the field level. And unless people start doing work on their own, they will never come out of their poverty. You keep giving them any kind of dole and money, and but still, unless they start earning on their own feet, they will never come out of the BPL. So the challenge is how to make those employment generation programs with ICT interventions. That is the next.
Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.